What's up, everybody? Oh, the crypto market is just getting killed. I mean, everything's red, all red. Hey, how y'all like my new background? Right? Oh, crypto and stock market at the end of the day, right? Let's go take a look at that. It's ugly. I'm warning you right now, it's ugly. All right, here we go. Hang on. All right. Oh shit. It is ugly. Everything's red. Everything is red. Like, what the fuck, man? This market. Bitcoin down 2%. 66,767. I'm not even going to look at these levels, right? Because at the end of the day, the way it goes, it looks like they're not meaning shit, right? You got to tell you about these trend lines, and it ain't going to do no good. Fuck. Let's just look at the beat, right? Now, if I see some opportunities, I'm going to buy. I mean, I got to, right? I mean, I hate these red days to talk about, right? Bouncing off fucking trend lines. Oh, shit, man. I'm fucking sick of that. Y'all sick of that stuff, too? But I will have no problem buying, right? All right. But let's take a look at the beat down. It's 231. We'll look at the stock market, crypto market, and we shall go from there. I guess Tron is down the least, 0.12%, followed by Litecoin, 0.94%, Chainlink down 1.34%. I mean, there's nothing green. I mean, what? All you can do is laugh, right? I mean, you have a choice. You can be pissed off, or you can just laugh about that shit, because it is quite funny. Not really, but I mean, you got to do something to keep yourself sane. All I see everywhere is how this market's gonna explode. Well, that shit hasn't exploded yet. It hasn't exploded. I've been waiting for it to explode. I don't know, man. Bitcoin, 66,000 and dropping as we speak. We might bounce off this level right here. We might not. But either way. Look at Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum, since the time I posted my video this morning, and not that other video, I had it. It was dark outside. I told everybody I'm quitting YouTube, or I hate YouTube, right? Okay, it pisses me off, man. But I'm not going to talk about it. I ranted earlier, but Ethereum 2477. So a little bit about me really quickly. I've been in the financial industry for 27 years. Yeah, no shit, right? I wrote this book right here too. See that fucking book? Right. Trading part-time. So 27 years, man. Insurance. I was in insurance for a long time. Financial services. Started trading 17 years ago. Trading. Now, my primary specialty is option trading, right? I love option trading. I managed over $100 million portfolio. So I like to teach people how to do that. Got into crypto November 2007. 17, not 2007. Shit, I wish. Fuck, dude. I probably wouldn't be here. I'd be on some island and shit. 2017. So fairly new. Been day trading the S&P 500 for 5 years. I actually day trade live every day for channel members. Well, not live every day for channel members, but for students, right? We day trade the S&P 500. I teach them how to do that. Today we got like 20-something points, which is not bad. So we do that. But with this crypto, the only opportunities I'm seeing right now are trading the pairs. You know, like Ethereum against Bitcoin, because it's just getting killed, right? So Ethereum is at 2,474. Yeah, that's ugly. Polkadot's down. Cardano I like Cardano, but I'm quickly starting to not like it. I would tell you it's coming down here into the support level and it's going to bounce, but at the end of the day, nobody knows, right? This crypto's crazy. All you can do is buy when you think it's cheap. That's it. If you think Cardano's cheap at 33 cents, you buy that shit. Period. Don't try to anticipate or draw your trend lines. Right? I've been doing technical analysis for 17 years. I could give you all these trend lines like that and tell you that we're right there sitting on top of support. That doesn't mean nothing. Not in the world of crypto, it doesn't really look like it. Right? You just buy if you think it's cheap. Now, you can do some creative things, which, really that's all you can do right now because the market sucks. 33 cents. And I'm going to show you the S&P. It's been a dog also. Algorand. I like Algorand. Right? It's getting beat up. So, if we think Algorand's cheap, we go buy some. That's it. Don't worry about calling the bottom. Just buy it if you think it's cheap and hold on to it until you make money. That's really how you do it. Unless you're trading, right? Trading the pairs. Then, it's a little bit different, but similar. Look at XRP. XRP, 51 cents. 51 damn cents. It's about to crack the 50 mark, right? Everybody constantly talking about how this shit's going to the moon. How this cycle, right? This bull run, it's going up. But let me tell you my favorite one. This is the last shakeout. Right? That is the best one. This is the final shakeout. Until the next shakeout. Again, what I'm quickly learning with crypto. Okay, again, it's different than option trading. Understand option trading, you are leveraging stocks. NVIDIA, Coinbase, Facebook, whatever. Gold ETFs, you're leveraging stock. There's so many creative things that you can do. Okay, so there's a lot of money. Day trading, that futures, hey, it is what it is, right? You get in and trade, you get out as fast as possible. It's different. Crypto, it's crazy. Just buy when you think it's cheap. And then you hold that son of a bitch. XRP, 51 cents. Mana. These are all coins that I have. I have like all these coins, dude. HBAR. Wasn't it too long ago HBAR was plugging up here at 7, 8 cents? Back down to 4. If you think HBAR, if you like HBAR, and you think HBAR is cheap, you buy it. That's it. Again, don't even do this bullshit right here. Right? Triangle, it's sitting. It's in a squeeze. It's gonna bounce. Nobody has a crystal ball, my friends. Nobody. Not me and include. And again, with options, we're very specific. I know because I teach options every day. We do coaching classes. I have live coaching classes every day for options. You don't need a lot of money. And you can go trade the option market, but you can get creative. There's so many ways to make money. Way more ways to make money in options than crypto. It's not even close. It's a little bit more difficult. You got to learn how to do it, but I've been doing it for 17 years. That's like my main thing. I wish you can't do options on fucking crypto. I wish. Then I'd fucking sell naked puts and all sorts of stuff. Anyway, HBAR's down. Solana, everything's down. You're going to see in a minute too, the stock market, it sucks right now. It sucks. We'll take a look at gold. But Solana down, right? I'm not going to be going over these price patterns anymore because it's pointless, right? I'm just going to look, and if I think it's a good buy, I'm going to buy it. That's it. Do I think it's a good buy right now? Not yet. It's down. It's down 5%. Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin, 13 cents. Not going to buy it right now. Nope. It's too expensive. Too expensive. Now it's down, so now you just buckle up for the ride. Crazy. Matic. Look at Matic. Polygon, right? Down 6.7. Holy crap. Look at that nasty ass red candle. And I mean sick. Down 6.75%. There is a lot of people today pissed off. Pissed off. Right? If it's a green day, like not the song, right? We're happy. Yay, green day. If it's not, we're pissed off. Right? Again, just buy when you think it's cheap, hold it, and go. Hold it and go. We're gonna look at a lot of stuff. We got time. I'm also looking at the stock market because if there's a trade opportunity, I'm gonna take it in my options. Anyway, that's nasty. Ondo, 7.20%. I bet you if I go on X right now, it's gonna say somebody's gonna be putting who the fuck is selling Bitcoin, right? I guarantee. Look at that! I knew it. I knew it. Who the fuck is selling Bitcoin? I absolutely. Oh my God. It looks like everyone. Oh my God. It looks like everyone. Oh shit. My boy right here, dude. Vivek. Looks like everyone. Oh, that's crazy, dude. But I knew it, dude. I absolutely fucking knew it. Wow. Who the fuck is selling Bitcoin? Yep. Why do we have fraud, Wendy? It just is what it is. It fucking sucks. Give me $1 million. Yeah, I don't think that's going to come to play, Crypto Rover. $100,000. If Bitcoin hits 100 G's. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about that. All right. Anyway. All right, let's go back here. Find this shit. All right. Ondo. Destroyed. Stock market. S&P 500 is basically flat. Now, it was up a lot earlier. S&P 500 was green, a nice green candle earlier. Everybody was happy. It was rocking and rolling. You know, good thing is I day traded this and to the downside. That's what I like about day trading. You know, at least in the S&P is what I trade. You can, you know, if it goes down, just make money. If it goes up, make money. Right? You can lose a lot too, but S&P 500 flat. Going over the levels, pointless. Pointless. Gold's up a little bit. Gold has been strong. Right? For those of y'all that buy gold, trade GLD, the ETF, trade the futures. I know a lot of y'all do. The dollar's back up again today. Really doing well. The United States dollar. I don't know how. You know, yeah, I do. It's all fucking manipulation anyway. NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ is basically, well, Tesla. Have y'all seen Tesla? Let me see. Tesla was up earlier. Yeah, look at that shit. Look at that. Tesla. Tesla had earnings. It gapped up yesterday. Big ass move. And now Tesla's up 3%. So Tesla is just whooping ass. Tesla is whooping ass. Oh, that went blue. That's good. For y'all that are invested in Tesla, give me some electrical cars, right? NASDAQ 126. Fucking hear something, dude. I'm breaking up a fucking house. NVIDIA. So, I mean, in the stock market, right? You know, some people don't like to invest in the stock market because all they know how to do is buy stock. Again, there's many, many more ways that you can trade the stock market with options. Right? You can day trade NVIDIA. NVIDIA's up. So the Russell 2000 is down. Dow Jones is down 261. Coinbase is down. We know Bitcoin's down. We know Ethereum's down. God, XRP, 51 cents. Who the fuck is selling? Everybody. Everybody. If you think it's a cheap, go buy it. So basically, what I like to do, at least right now, me, I mean, again, you do whatever you want. It's, remember, the whole idea is you don't need to time crypto, okay? Don't even try to time that shit. It's not like, again, it's not like options, man. With options, you got to time it. You got to time it. It's more difficult. But with crypto, don't even try to time it. If you think it's cheap, you buy it. And then you hold that son of a bitch. That's what I'm finding out, man. I mean, look, I haven't been doing crypto forever. I've only been in crypto since November 2017. A lot of y'all probably been in it a lot longer than me, but 7 years. But that's the only thing that, to me, it works, you know, pretty much. Trying to call the bottoms and look at all these patterns. It's very stressful in crypto. You need some type of, you know, like options, right? Where you can protect yourself if it goes down and all that shit. You know, we just look at Tesla all day. If you want to be happy, you just look at fucking Tesla. Everything else, awful. Awful. You know, what's the next question, right? People are going to say, is Bitcoin going to bounce? Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody knows. But if you just look at it, you know, you can see that wick. That tells you some people bought it off of that 21 exponential moving average. But it doesn't mean nothing. Doesn't mean nothing. It's going to reverse when it reverses. But here's how we do this, my friends. So this is Ethereum against Bitcoin. This is one of my favorite. And when I say trade it, again, a little bit different. So what we have to decide, do we think Ethereum is cheap or expensive against Bitcoin? That's all you gotta figure out, okay? Now, how are we gonna make money? Number one, you gotta have Ethereum or Bitcoin, right? So what you can do, and again, you take this with what you must. All right. I was telling this to one of my students. Okay. I don't go into as much detail about crypto because there's not as many creative things that you can do. Like whenever we're doing options live classes or day trading the futures. But here's the deal. If I go look at Ethereum, you've got to decide. Okay. Because first of all, you got to buy either Ethereum or Bitcoin. Obviously. Buy it when you think it's cheap. When it's undervalued. So you got to figure that out, right? If you think 2,472 is cheap, go buy it. Go put $500, man. $500. Do it if you think it's cheap. or $200, but buy it today if you think it's cheap. Now, it could drop to 2,300, maybe. Again, you just got to find the spots that you would like to buy it. That's all you can do. Don't worry about trying to call the bottom. Fuck that shit. So I like 2,300. So you got to buy. Go get $500 and just fucking buy some Ethereum. Fuck it. Just do it. Then what you got to decide when you look at this pair, you're like, all right, how's Ethereum doing against Bitcoin? Again, we're going to show every day. We're going to show you like how to make money, right? How to do it. Now, again, there's other ways. You can draw your trend lines. You can try to call the bottom. You can leverage trade. Fuck that. I don't need to leverage trade crypto. I leverage trade stocks, which is way funner and it's way better because you can't even do fucking 10% of the shit that you can do when you trade options. So I don't need to leverage crypto. Somebody asked the other day, do you leverage trade? Not crypto. Why? I go fucking leverage trade NVIDIA. I don't need to leverage trade. There's nothing you can do. Right? So get that out of, get out of head. We don't need to do that shit. What we need to do is buy Ethereum today if you think it's cheap. You got some? Great. I bought $3,000 the other day. Right? I got a price of $2,440. So, I mean, almost where it's at now. It was looking good earlier. So I bought $3,000 worth of Ethereum at $2,400. Because, I mean, again, based on my analysis at the time, I thought it was cheap. This is the way we're going to start thinking. All right, we got to make money. What the fuck is the point if we can't make money? We're not doing this shit. We're not going through this pain. And it is pain. Holy shit, is it pain. All right, you buy it. Now, is Ethereum cheap against Bitcoin? So ETH/BTC, right? So what we can do here is, let's see here. I think I have it on Binance. It doesn't really matter. Go over here to your crypto. You know, you can look at it. I just look at it here on Binance. I added it to my watch list. ETH, right? A lot of y'all don't know this. A lot of y'all do. That's cool. So when this is going down, you always want to look at the front pair. Okay, that's the base. When it's going down, Ethereum is getting cheap against Bitcoin, right? So when it goes up, Ethereum is expensive against Bitcoin. So right now, Ethereum is cheap against Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is strong. So if you take your Ethereum right now and you try to buy Bitcoin, you're not going to be able to buy that much. It's not going to go very far. So you don't want to do that. Not now. You want this to start going up. And then if you think, all right, Ethereum is expensive against Bitcoin, then you can take your Ethereum and you can buy Bitcoin cheap. And then when it goes back down, you can just keep doing that same concept and you can grow your Ethereum without having to put any more money. You put $500, you can turn it into $1,000. Then that $1,000 you can turn into $2,000 or $3,000, and then $10,000, and then that it's not overnight, but that's all you have to do, right? So, like for example, Solana against Ethereum. See, this chart's going up. So this tells me Solana's expensive, Ethereum's cheap. Ethereum's cheap right now. So if you had Solana, you could sell your Solana for Ethereum, right? But don't worry about timing it. Just Ethereum is at a discount against Solana. Because you're not always going to look at it with the dollar. You guys got a lot of coins. Start playing around with them, right? Ethereum is cheap against Solana, so you can buy more Ethereum. So when this pair is going up, I'm going to be selling Solana for Ethereum. Right? A lot of crazy stuff you could do. But buy $500 worth of Ethereum and start coming back, and we're going to grow it. We're going to grow it. If not, you're just going to go crazy. S&P 500 now is down 2. Man, it better do better this weekend. I mean, fuck, dude. It better pick that shit up. Who's selling? Everybody. Let's see who else is here. Birth rate. What the fuck, Elon? Ignore the FUD. The cycle is back. Hey, 31 people. What's up? What's up? Fucking misery together. Right? Misery together. Closes in 3 minutes. It's looking to me like S&P 500 is going to close negative. Russell 2000 is going to close negative. Dow Jones 30 going to close negative. Gold's up a little bit. We're going to have Bitcoin. It looks to me like it's going to close negative. Ethereum's going to close negative. XRP is going to close negative. Tron and Chainlink went green. Anyway, it starts with the first step. Just buy it. Right? And then we'll go from there. I bought $3,000 worth of Ethereum. So now we got to play with that. And we got to try to double it. So if you buy $100, we're going to try to double it. Right? That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. S&P 500 is going to close flat. Everything else is too. So if you want to, I shot a video today that says, I hate YouTube. I'm pissed off. Make sure you go watch. It's funny. I filmed in the dark. I had it. I also posted a video today from the morning market. You can see how it's changed since the morning. All right. We got to make some money. Keep coming back to this channel. Keep watching this so we can make some money. And that's it. Have a great weekend. Y'all take care. If you're interested in live coaching, check out my YouTube or joining the channel. It's like $5. Trust me, we're going to make a lot more than the $5 that you're going to pay. Fuck, we'll make that shit next week way more than $5. All right. Peace out.